All right, 1 minute cocktails at home. This one is an original. It's called a Baby Bird. We're gonna do 0.75 ounces of Aperol. Do 2 ounces of Thrasher's green spice rum. We're gonna do ½ ounce of simple syrup. Notice all my fancy bartending stuff. We'll do a ½ ounce of lime juice and 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. We're gonna shake. We're gonna add a little bit of ice. We shake. Stay tuned for the password at the end to get a free Thrasher Rum t-shirt. The password is yup. Strain it over ice, pineapple wheel, or half moon as I call them. Add a little more ice to it. There you go, the Baby Bird.